Welcome to Engage Math Pre-Algebra, Lesson 22, Problem number 7. And we are again trying to write an expression with only positive exponents. Remember, the fraction line changes the signs on exponents when something goes above and below the fraction line. So the x to the negative third can go to the numerator, which means x to the third in the numerator becomes x to the positive 3. Okay, the next one, so the 5 stays in the numerator, the x to the negative 3 goes to the numerator and becomes a positive 3 for the exponent. Okay, this next one's a little trickier because the 5 is already to a positive exponent. That 5 right here is really being raised already to the first power. So only the x has to go to the numerator. And technically you don't need that 1, so if you wanted to, you could just write it as x to the third over 5. All right, let's look at the next one. So remember that this 5 is being raised to the negative third power as well as the x being raised to the negative third. So I think the easiest way to rewrite this is just to take that whole quantity, which is all being raised to the negative third power, and put it in the numerator and make it a positive 3. Now we have 5 to the third, which is 5 times 5 times 5, or 125, and then the x becomes x to the third. And we have no more negative exponents, so we're done. Thanks for joining us today at Engaged Math.